Hi, I'm Ken again with GSG. I've been a digital territory manager with GSG for 7 years. Today we're going to go over a few of the things that you can do to your Roland printer cutter to get it up and running if it's been sitting for a while, some little maintenance features. And then we're going to touch on a few things that you can do for your business to expand outside something maybe you weren't doing, and some things that are relevant today during the coronavirus pandemic that we're currently going through.
Printhead maintenance is very critical to the machine working properly and giving you the quality prints that you want and that you can always get from a Roland printer. So to get to that menu, you want to go to Function, Cleaning, Manual Cleaning, and the print heads will come over. You'll remove the cut rail and then just slide the print heads over. Older models go all the way over automatically, but the new TrueVIS VG2s and SG2s, you manually push it over. At this point, just get a clean swab with the TR2 cleaning solution. And you just wipe around the print heads. Get all the excess ink around the edges on the horizontal parts and the vertical parts of all 4 print heads. In this case, this printed carriage has 4 print heads. The SG models only have 2. But just make sure you get all the excess ink off on the vertical parts and the horizontal parts. When you're done, you can just go ahead and slide the printed carriage back over to the right, put the cut rail back in, and close the left cover. Next, you want to make sure you clean the capping station. These caps are critical to sealing off the print heads from any air when the printer's not printing. Any excess ink that gets built up can cause air to leak through and clog the nozzles. So clogged nozzles give you bad prints, banding, stuff like that. So just take a clean swab, wipe off any of the excess ink around the cappings, each individual cap on the capping station. And before you're done, make sure you clean the wiper that's tilted up and get any excess ink off of that. When you're done, just close the right cover and press finish. If for some reason you notice that you're still getting bad prints, you want to run a test print. To do a test print, you just go to Function, Cleaning, Test Print. Once you've got media loaded, the printer will come over and it will print a test print and give you the ability to look at the test print and see if any nozzles are clogged. From there, you can obviously see that the nozzles, in this case, are good, but if there's any missing nozzles that are clogged, you'll see white spaces in those places. From there, if you need to clean any more, if you notice that the nozzles are still clogged, you can go to the Function button and then go to Cleaning, and then go to Normal, Medium, or Powerful Clean.
I hope you got a lot of information out of this today, and good luck in the future.